In this video, we'll show the 5 best weighted shift knobs on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular, Mishimoto MMSK-BK weighted shift knob. The Mishimoto weighted shift knob appears to be a simple shift knob. It has a glossy finish that gives it a classy look that's fit for any interior. Weighing only 0.8 pounds, it is heavy enough to foster fast shifting, yet is light enough so it's not bulky. It has contours that makes it easy to handle, even in high-octane situations. The shift knob allows you to make hard shifts without extra palm strain. On the downside, the shift knob does not have a lock-in mechanism that makes for a tight fit in any gear system. Number 2. RYANSTAR Carbon Fiber Shift Knob. Finding a good shift knob involves more than just getting one that feels great in hand. It also requires achieving just the right fit for your vehicle. This knob, which features high-quality plastic, a carbon fiber pattern, and aluminum adapters, includes 3 adapters. Each individual adapter is made to fit a different thread size, and you'll have what you need for Honda, Acura, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Toyota, and other vehicles. The knob is a round ball that makes it easy to hold while you shift. It has a 2-inch diameter and stands 1.9 inch in height. Number 3. DEWHEL JDM Gun Black Nickel Round Shift Knob. If you are looking for a balance of fun, functionality, and great value, you will find it in the DEWHEL JDM shift knob, which fits Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Honda, and Acura models. The colorful knob is a cool manual shifter knob that gives you great wrist control and easy shifts. It's a low-profile spherical knob that works for both 5-speed and 6-speed manual transmissions. It's made from lightweight aluminum alloy and is coated with gun black nickel for a glamming shine. It features a 1.96 inch diameter and comes with 3 threading brass adapters of varying sizes that are made to last. Number 4. Abfer 5-inch heavy weighted shift knob. The Abfer 5-inch heavy weighted shifter knob offers everything that other products won't. Instead of a smooth ball, this knob is more of a lever. It measures 5 inches long and extends outward. The Abfer shifter knob is made with aluminum alloy and comes in black as well as an array of bright colors. This ensures you'll get just the right fit for your car's specific shifter. It fits most manual transmission vehicles, including SUVs and trucks. Just keep in mind during installation that you'll get a tight fit from this shifter knob. Number 5. DC Sports SKT 1000 Shift Knob. The DC Sports SKT 1000 shift knob is a great option for any driver who is in need of more precision while shifting. This knob is designed to provide an all-round better driving experience, but it's a standout when it comes to crisp, precise shifts. This shift knob is specially weighted to improve your precision on the road, totaling about 1 pound. You'll feel the difference as you grip to shift. This knob feels heavy and it can improve your motions. Shifting is smooth and quick, giving you more control and ultimately more precision.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.